Hello guys, welcome to our channel TechJect Studio. As we said, we are here with our first video. So in this we will talk about HTML, CSS, PHP and JavaScripts. We will begin with this basic scripting language and build upon those. To perform the programs or the scripts or to make your basic HTML pages. So there are some basic requirements or basic software that you need to install upon your system to go through the next process. Today here we will install the Wamp server. So what does basically Wamp stands for? So W here stands for Windows. That is, this software is only for Windows platform. A stands for Apache server. Apache is a server which fetches you the uh, internet connections, or there are some ports which it assigns for your HTTP connections. Then MySQL is a database where you can create your backend, that is to store the data. And P stands for PHP, which helps you to run the PHP scripts. So we should begin now. So to download Wamp, you just go to Google and just type download Wamp server, which will take you to the Wamp servers page. Yeah, so this is the Wamp page, and here you will get an option called download. Just go to download, and here you need to check what bit system you are using. Like my operating system is 64 bits, so I will download a 64-bit Wamp server. But I have already downloaded it, so I will just install it. So I have this Wamp server setup file here. Yeah. Just accept the agreement and just press next. This is where you can specify the path. And then So here it will ask you for some default browser. So it is saying that it will take as Internet Explorer. So I just go on with this. Just select Internet Explorer application file. Say open. Notepad as your text editor. Say yes. As you see, we have finished our installation. This is to allow the Apache HTTP server access. Just say allow the access. Yeah, so we are done, and we have finished installing the Wamp server. So what I will do is, now I will just try to fire up my Wamp server. Let's see. So in this tray, you will see that our Wamp server is now running, and it shows like all services are running. So just I will show you how you can go to a dashboard of Wamp server. Go in the browser and local host. Yeah, so this is your home page or a dashboard of your Wamp server. Now, how do you trigger your projects to your Wamp server? So for that, what you have to do is uh, you have to go to the location where you have installed your Wamp server. So I installed it in my C drive. So in C drive, you will be getting a folder called Wamp64. Just go inside the Wamp64 and there will be a directory called www. So yeah, so whatever project you are going to do, the folder you are going to create, you should create in this folder. So I will create a new folder here named as HTML project. Yeah. So this folder should now show it up on my dashboard. Yeah. See, so this is your projects. It shows as HTML project. So if I go, so let's type HTML project. This is my parent directory now. I don't have files currently, so this is showing empty. So this is how you can download and install a Wamp server. So this is sometime if it gives error or if this W or Wamp server doesn't turns up green, what you have to do is just go to Microsoft site and download Microsoft Visual 2015 and also download Java Development Kit 8 and install both those dependencies and your Wamp server should start up. So this is all about today. In further videos, we will try to create new HTML scripts. So thank you for today. Thank you.